In this lesson, we will be learning a pronunciation rule of Korean language that is called carryover rule. What this rule says is that if a character is appearing in the Pachim position, like in the word check, and it is being followed by a vowel, then when pronouncing that word, this final position character, the Pachim character, will move on to the next syllable and the sound will combine with the next vowel sound. So here, in case of check E, when pronouncing this word, what will happen is this k character will move on to the next syllable and it will replace the vowel sound and it will be pronounced as this word chegi. So you will not read it as check E, you will read it as chegi. So let's see here some more examples. In this word we have pap and il, but when pronouncing it, this piop, which is in the Pachim position, will move to the next syllable and it will be read as pabil. So here you see, this is not how you will write, this is just how we pronounce these words. The real spelling is here, but these words will be pronounced like this. So pabil. Again in this word we have ip and e, ip e, but you will read it as ippy because this p-up sound will combine with e vowel and it will be read as ippy. Similarly in this word we have oth and e, we will read it as oshi because sh will replace this ng and it will become oshi. And in this last word we have pak a, but it will be read as pak ke. So k will combine with a vowel. And here you see the rule says that if the syllable ends with a double pachim and the following syllable starts with a vowel, the first letter of the double pachim is pronounced independently while the second part is carried over and gets combined with the following syllable. So I will explain it with examples. What happens is when there are two consonants in the Pachim position, like in the word anjayo, okay, so we have a nian and we have a chiat and it is being followed by a vowel. So in this case what will happen is the first Pachim character will remain in its place and it will be pronounced independently like na, and the second one will move, it will be carried over to the next syllable and it will combine with the vowel. So we will pronounce it as anjayo. So you see that this chiyat has combined with a and is being pronounced as ja because it's in the middle position. If you remember the Hangul pronunciation rule that we have studied, it's ja, so anjayo. Similarly these two words phalbayo. So you see that we have two characters here in the Pachim position, phalta. So phal will remain its place and p will move to the next syllable. So we will read it as phalbayo. And the last one, opsoyo. So we have opsoyo, p will remain there when pronouncing and s will move to the next syllable and it will be read as opsoyo. Okay, but do not get confused and start writing like this. These are just the presentation of how the words are pronounced, not how they are written. They are written as their original spelling is, like in the first column here, but when pronouncing they sound like these words.